99% of engineers won't spill the secrets of making carbon fiber drone body. But hey, I'm Chloe, so here comes the 100% truth. Follow me, let's go! First, materials. We use aerospace-grade carbon fiber composite, super light, super strong. It's 30% lighter than 7075 aluminum and dozens of times stiffer than plastic. Sure, aluminum is cheaper, but get ready to watch your drone's weight balloon by 40%. Next up, rough cutting. We slice carbon fiber sheets with a Waterjet or CNC machine, keeping the speed under 6,000 RPM so we don't touch the resin or peel the layers. After this, it still looks an awkward jigsaw puzzle. Then comes precision machining. We switch to diamond cutters and slowly refine every cup. Tolerance within plus or minus 0.05 mm. Think of it as giving the drone a perfect eyebrow trim. The real magic is inside the layer core. We set prepared layers, peel them under heat, and create a honeycomb or reed structure. Bonus, tensile strength goes up about 25%. Finally, a little skincare. We give it a light sandblast and a clear epoxy coat, UV protection, plus that slack carbon wave look. It feels as premium as it looks. So yeah, dropping 40% weight isn't witchcraft. It's material science, top-notch craftsmanship, and a touch of OCD. Want to learn more about CNC and composites? Drop a comment below. I'm Chloe. See you next time. Bye!